How to make money as a student. Some students are being sponsored by their parents. At least at the end of the month or week, their parents do send them some money. But some students don't have that same opportunity. They don't have anybody to send them money or to care for them. They are left on their own. Now, students like this might find academics so challenging, and all what they will be thinking is how they are going to finance the academic and how they can survive in school. Most people have been asking me, what are the things you do that earn you money? In this video, I'm going to tell you things that you can do that will make you money. Not everybody knows how to earn online. Some persons do offline business. There are two ways you can make money as a student. One of the ways is by becoming a P2P merchant on a crypto exchange. A P2P merchant is somebody who converts dollar to naira and naira to dollar. Now you help users on the exchange convert their tokens to naira. You give them naira and they send you USDT. Now you can make profit depending on how many times you carry out the transaction. So you are like a merchant that help people to convert their naira to crypto. And by so doing, you are making some percentage out of the trade. For example, when you buy a dollar for 1,600 and you sell the dollar to 1,700, you are making 100 naira gain per transaction times how many times you carry out a trade. Now, with just 165,000 naira, you can start to become a merchant of any of the P2P exchange. You can use Gate.io, so you can apply as a merchant on Gate.io. So go and download Gate.io app. With just a minimum of $100, you can become a merchant. $100 is equivalent to, I think, 165,000 naira. If as a student you don't have the capital to kickstart your merchant business, you can start participating in airdrop to gather funds to kickstart your business. Now, after downloading Gate.io, you can complete the verification and you can go ahead and apply for the merchant program. I'm going to show you how the P2P transactions are done. After you've completed the verification and applied to become a merchant, once you are on your Gate.io app, you have two sections: buy and sell. This buy section is for where people that are coming to buy USDT, which is dollar. This is where they buy from. So this is where they will scroll and pick from merchants. As you can see, all these people here, they are P2P merchants. There's actually money in P2P. That's why people are actually applying to become a merchant. That's why you see people every day 247 in the P2P market runs, because there's money in P2P. If there is no money in P2P, people will not be here every day to trade. People buy and sell. And here, the red section is the sell section. This is where people sell their crypto to merchants. So what you have to do as a merchant is to click on ads. As a merchant, you will see 4 different segments. On the bottom section of the app, you see trade, you see orders, you see ads, you see profile. Under orders, when you have an order, this is where they appear under here. While on ads is where you set a buy advert. This is where you set your advert to buy and sell. Before you carry out any transaction, you need to calculate your profit and see if the market is favorable before you enter the trade. The best time to start a trade is in the morning. You can wake up in the morning around 7 o'clock and you carry out your trade. You trade till around 6 o'clock. Now, and coming into P2P, you need to be serious about it. This is a real business. P2P is a real business. This P2P is where you carry out your business, because this is a transaction. This is where transaction goes on, and you need to be serious, and you need to be online 247 to attend to customers. First thing, you need to open your calculator and calculate the margin and calculate the profits that you are going to make. because you need to put the picture of how much you are going to make. You are going to look if the market is favorable for you to enter. So you calculate. This is the buy aspect. This is the green. You go to the green and press 1,655 naira. Then you go back to the sell. You go back to the sell advert. Now the sell price is around 1,610. So you put there 1,610. So you are making a minimum profit of 45 naira. You are buying the dollar at 1,610 and you are selling the dollar at 1,655 naira. So now you now calculate. If you are buying $100 worth of USDT for a start times 45, so you are making 4,500 naira per transaction worth of $100 worth of USDT. Now if you now sell and buy again, you continue that same process for like 10 times. Let me see, 100 times 10, that is $1,000 times 45 naira per transaction. That's you are making 45,000 naira per day. So you have to trade $100 1, 2, 3 till 10 times to make that actual profit, which is 45,000 naira per day. So after you've checked your margin, you now come to the plus sign on the app to place an order to buy USDT. So you now put the price. So if you are buying $100 worth of USDT at the price of 1,610, you'll be spending 161,000 naira to purchase $100. So you click on the limit order. I'll be buying from $5 to $100. So you click on next. After clicking on next, you select your bank account. I'll be using my bank account, so I click on next. Before selecting the bank, you don't have to use the normal conventional bank. Use an online wallet. I don't need to mention the name of the wallet, but just use an online wallet. So you put in your terms and condition. Example, I am online, let's trade. So I click on review. As you can see, you need to review your price if they are actually accurate. Then you click on post. My orders have been posted. So when you go to the trade, you will see your order there. It's actually there. So within minutes, people will start to send in their orders to sell their USDT. Then you in turn send naira to them. After you've bought the $100 USDT, you can now come here to sell the $100 USDT at the current market price. So you just put in here $100. As you can see, the profit is around 4,000 naira. So you repeat this process like more than how many times you are willing to process the transaction to make reasonable amount of profit. So that's just how to make money as a P2P merchant. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.